Very good evening to one and all. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to give you some of the important questions in Unit 2 in the subject of the botany for the bridge course first year students who are going to write the bridge course examinations to get the BIP certificate. So those people they may want these topics. Okay, so in this session I would like to discuss about the important questions like 1 mark questions and 4 mark questions in unit 2 in the subject of the botany in the paper of the biological sciences for the bridge course intervocational bridge course first year students in Telangana as well as the AP students. Okay, unit 2 is a morphology in botany in the paper of the biological sciences bridge course first year. Very short answers questions, 1 mark questions. Define venations. How do dicots differ from monocots with respect to venetation? Which organ is modified to trap insects in insectivorous plants? What type of inflorescence is found in fig trees? Define plantation. What type of plantation is found in dianthus? What is meant by Parenthenocarpic fruit. Why certain fruits are called false fruits? Name two examples of plants having false fruits. Name any two plants having single seeded dry fruits. What are aggregate fruits? Give two examples. So this like a 1 to 11 questions are comes under 1 mark questions, like a very short answers questions in botany for the bridge course first year students in Telangana and AP. Okay, so why I am repeating so many times means some people they may ask me whether it is useful for AP, whether it is Telangana. So many times they will repeat it. So many times I can't give the answers for the all the questions. There is a reason. If you'll skip, if you'll avoid by memorizing this one, you can if I repeating 3 or 4 times, you can get the idea of where this syllabus is applicable for the both the states of Telangana as well as the AP. Okay, that is the reason repeatedly I am telling. Okay, so don't think in another way. Okay, next short answers questions like a 4 marks questions. Explain with examples different types of okay phyllotoxy. Describe any two special types of inflorescence. Describe in brief the fleshy fruits studied by you. Explain how root is modified to perform different functions. Any four. Explain how stem is modified variously to perform different functions. Any four. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 questions are belongs to 4 marks questions in botany. Okay. So thanks for watching my channel. Have a nice day.